Today we're going to learn how to add a video to Google Docs using two different methods, the hyperlink method and through Google Slides. Let's start by opening a new Google Doc, as we'll first explore the hyperlink method. Once inside the Google Doc, the first thing we'll do is provide the text that we want to hyperlink. Select the text that you want to hyperlink and then click on Insert. You'll find Insert in the toolbar at the top. Next, select Link from the drop-down menu. Here, you'll enter the URL link to the video you want to add. For this example, we'll use a video URL. Go ahead and retrieve the link to the video. After entering the link, hover over the hyperlink text. You'll see a preview of the video. And by clicking on it, you'll be directed to the video. That wraps up our first method using hyperlinks. Now let's move on to the second method, which involves Google Slides. Start by opening a new Google Slide. Open the Google Slide, and once inside, click on the Insert menu. Choose Video from the Insert options. This gives you two options: either enter a video URL or find a video uploaded to Google Drive. For instance, if you already have the video link, you can insert the video here. Once you've entered the video URL, click Insert. After the video is inserted, you can format it as needed and then click on Copy. Return to the Google Doc and click on Insert. This time, we're going to insert a drawing. Select Drawing and paste the video into the drawing space. The video gets uploaded there, so click Save and Close. The video is now inserted into your Google Doc, and it will play right there in the document. That's how you can add a video using Google Slides. And there you have it. We've covered both methods to add a video to Google Docs.